Sir, see, uh, here body file will come, here border file will come, and here auto off time is there, RPM will show, motor is on or not. You can go into the menu to select the body file. You will go into the menu, set body file, and you can change like from 5 button. You can change whichever file you want to put. From that file you can come to exit. Then you will see that file is selected. In the same way, you can select border. Again from the 5 button you can change. Okay, and from 5 button you can change. Okay, then see 576 AD is there. When you will exit, it will come here. Okay, what are the other options? For third is pick jump. You can jump the pick in body file, and you can jump the pick in border file. In both you can jump like this way. Star, whichever pick you want to go. Star 122 hash. Star the number of the pick you want to jump, then hash. Then you can go exit. Exit hash. Exit. Okay, I went to 11 pick. Then what are the other options? Copy from pen drive. You can put a copy from pen drive also. Here pen drive option is there. Okay, and CPU design. From CPU design you can select all up, all down, and one up, one down like options. Like in the 4 option, all up, all down, 8 up, 8 down, 1 up, 1 down options are there. Okay, and from this down button you can go to the next page. From menu down button, next page you will come. And CPU, if you want to put all down, then you will press 2, and then you can run the machine. All down will happen. Okay, and admin mode is there. Copy from pen drive option is there. Like copy from pen drive, you need to put the pen drive and you need to restart the panel. Then you can go into the option. Then from 5 you can change the design. From this design it is showing from pen drive. When you will copy, it will come to SD card. Okay, like this file if you want to copy, then you will press 6. Then it will ask you need to copy in body folder or you need to copy in border folder. Like if you want to copy in border folder, you will press 2. So now it will copy. And other option is there that you can select number of ribbon and number of card. Like in 960 Jacquard, 10 ribbons are there and 12 in one ribbon 12 card is there. You can select it. Means from this panel only you can set it for 960 hook, 1408 hook, whatever you want. For that we need to go in admin mode. For admin mode, if you want to enter, you need to put star 1111 hash. Okay, then there is left right selection, front back selection, shut off time you can select, and number of sensors. If you want to run with one sensor or two sensors, you need to select. By default it is 2 sensor. Number of cards and ribbon. By default 10 cards and 10 ribbon and 12 cards is there. If you want to change, you can change it. Like number of ribbon. Now it is selected 16. You can put it 10. Now it is 10. If you want to confirm, you can again go in the same way. You can check. See, now 10 ribbon is selected. In the same way, you can select a card also. And what other option is there? Front back selection, left right selection, setup time, and delete design. These options are there. Okay, front back selection and left right selection. You can select the first hook, whichever is first hook you can select. For that I have provided test files. In the when you will select that test file, in body you will select test file, and in border you will select AD file of the same hook. Then you will run the jacquard. Then one hook will come down, and that hook will show which one is first hook. You can select with those two options, up down selection and left right selection. You can select which hook will be your first hook. Okay, thank you.
Okay.